Hello students, good morning to you all and myself Arvind Rai from LPM Public School which is situated in Gola Bazar and I am your subject teacher of Social Studies. Students, hope you all are fine at your homes and you all are just eager to join the school. Okay? So, in next early days, you all are going to attend the physical classes. Till then, enjoy the online classes as well as the video and PDF formats which is being provided to you. So, you complete your studies with the help of these videos and online classes. Okay? In this video, it is a revisional video. Okay? It means that earlier we had completed this chapter. Okay? As we are starting from, as you can see, this is a revisional class. From today, you all are going to have your online classes. So, in online classes, you are going to attend the classes on the topics based as your subject and which you have completed earlier. Okay? So, the first chapter in your book, in social studies book, first chapter is our solar system. Okay? So, it is a revisional class and you are going to learn about or you are going to revise about, you are going to recall your first chapter which is our solar system. Okay? What is solar system? What is universe? What is planets? What is other heavenly bodies in the universe? That all we are going to revise in this video. Okay? So, what is the learning outcome of this chapter? Okay? Learning outcome means that after the completion of this chapter, what you all are going to learn. Okay? Are you getting my points? So, first point is visualize the universe and the Earth's place in it. Okay, what does it means? That you are going to visualize the universe. Visualize means you are going to assume, you are going to see the universe in your mind with the help of your book. Okay? What are the bodies in universe? How our universe is being formed and what we have in our universe. These all things you are going to learn and the earth's place in it. Okay? The planet on which we live. Okay? We also call it as a unique planet, that is earth. Okay? So what is the earth's place in it? What does it means? That on which number in the series of planets our earth belongs, on which number. After that, second point is describe the solar system and other heavenly bodies in the universe. Okay? Describe the solar system. What is solar system? By which bodies our solar system is formed and what is their main work. Okay, what different types of planets do we have, how many planets do we have and on which number they belong in our solar system. Okay, and what are the other different heavenly bodies in our universe, that all we are going to learn after completion of this chapter. Okay, now look in your book on page number 1, that is our solar system. Okay, starting is from the topic the universe. Okay, what is it is? Universe. Okay, look up at the sky on a cloudless night, you will see a vast space with many twinkling dots. Okay, when you are looking up at the sky in the night, what you all are seeing? Many twinkling small dots in that night sky. Okay, the sky is a part of endless space called the universe. Okay, the sky is also a part of endless space. Okay, endless space means in space there is no limit. Okay, there is no limit of the area till where it is being stretched. Okay, that's why it is called endless stretch. Okay, that is called space. And the sky which you look at the night, in the night, that is a part of the universe. The universe consists of gases, dust, heavenly bodies, and stars and planets, and all the empty space in between. Okay, no one knows exactly how large the universe is. I am reading on page number 2. No one knows exactly how large the universe is. The earth is like a tiny grain of sand in this vast universe. That should give you some idea about the enormous size of the universe. Okay, what does it means? That our universe is very vast. Okay, with endless stretch of space, and our planet, that is our earth, it is like a small, very small, tiny part of sand in desert. Okay, so it is compared to a very little tiny part of sand in a big desert. That is our earth, or other heavenly bodies like stars, other planets. Okay, and our universe consists of dust, gases, and heavenly bodies. Okay, I could write it here. The sky is a part of an endless space called the universe. Okay. The sky is a part of endless space. Okay. The sky is a part of endless space called the universe. Okay. Now, universe consists of gases. It consists of gases, dust, and other, okay, other heavenly bodies. Other heavenly bodies. Okay, it is visible to you, so you can mention these points in your rough copy. Okay, because it is a revisional class, you all have might written all these points in your notebook. Okay, I have provided earlier with the exercises of each chapter, so might you have completed all the works in a fair copy. That is why I am saying you to write these points in rough copy. Okay, so you can mention all these points, so it will be a very helpful topic to just revise your chapter which you had completed earlier. Okay, now on page number 2, okay, on page number 2 in left hand side on top left you can see there is a point written no more. No more means और अधिक जाने. ओके, किसी चीज के बारे में और अधिक जाने. Have you thought about how the universe began? Okay, have you thought about how the universe began? मतलब क्या आपको पता है कि यूनिवर्स की शुरुआत कैसे हुई? Scientists believe that in the beginning all the matter in the universe was contained in a single tiny point. Okay, in starting scientists mentioned that all the matter started, okay, in the universe was contained in a single tiny point. Okay, means in universe every matter, okay, either it is stars, planets, dust, gases, anything, it was contained in only one tiny part. Okay, then there was a huge explosion which scientists call the Big Bang. After that, there was a very huge explosion which scientists called Big Bang. Matter started expanding and moving away from the center, okay, at great speed. When there was a explosion, okay, explosion means you can say in Hindi means फूटना. ओके, सपोज करिए एक स्मॉल पार्ट में बॉल है या कोई मैटर है, ठोस चीज है आपके पास, और वो जब फूटती है, ठीक है, व्हेन इट एक्सप्लोडेड इज व्हेन एक्सप्लोजन टेक्स प्लेस इन दैट बॉल, देन वेरी लिटिल टाइनी ड्रॉप, सॉरी टाइनी पार्ट्स, ओके, दे व्हाट एक्सपेंडेड मींस बिखर गए बहुत दूरी तक at a very great speed. Okay, this led to the creation of the universe, and this process led to the creation of universe. The universe is still expanding. Okay, so this is called the Big Bang theory, by which, okay, by which a tiny matter exploded in many parts, many tiny parts at a very great speed, and it expanded in very vast area, and still our universe is expanding. Okay, so this is a new point for you all to study. After that we are going to read about stars, galaxies and constellations. Okay, now students, come to the next topic, that is stars, galaxies and constellations. Most of the bright twinkling objects you see in the sky at night. Okay, at night most of you all have seen many small twinkling dots in the sky. Okay, at night, that are stars. Okay, stars are huge balls of hot burning gas. They give out heat and light. They look small because they are very far away from us. Okay, stars are, as we look up at the sky at night, so at the sky what we see in the sky, very small twinkling dots. Okay, so they are hot burning balls of heat and light. They look small because they are far away from us. Why they look small? Because they are very much far away from us, means that is earth. Okay, as for stars we can write small twinkling dots in the sky at night. Okay. Now come to the second point, that is galaxies. A very large group of stars is called a galaxy. A very large, group of stars is called, okay, is called galaxy. Okay, very large group of stars is called galaxy. What does it means? That one group which have millions of stars, okay, that is called galaxy. Now constellation. When seen from the earth, some of the stars appear to form beautiful patterns in the sky. Such a group of stars is called a constellations. Okay, we can say a group of stars, which form a pattern, okay, is called constellation. Okay, group of stars which form a pattern is called constellation. Okay, now you are supposed to mention all these points in your copy, and you are supposed to revise and learn each and every topic what we have discussed in this video. Okay, till then, hope you all are enjoying at your homes, and please maintain your presence, mark your presence in online classes as well, which will be very much helpful for your studies. Thank you so much.